Okay, well, sitting here rebuilding the pressure regulator on my DeWalt D55168 air compressor that I use out in the garage. This is the part that allows you to set the tank, or I guess the line pressure. So this is the regulator all taken apart. And I kind of wanted to just do a little public service deal here. On mine, I need to replace the O-ring on this little part right here. As you can see, when I took it all apart, it kind of was dried out and it ended up cracking actually. Anyways, they sell rebuild kits on Amazon and eBay and what have you, where you can get all the pieces and parts and, you know, fix the or replace all these major pieces here. But on mine, I opted to just take everything apart and clean it up. The problem I was having was occasionally when the air compressor would turn on, it would leak from the regulator, and kind of no matter where I set the regulator, it would just continually leak. So I figured for a while it kind of was going back and forth, and sometimes it would do it and then sometimes it wouldn't. Eventually, I had to watch a couple videos on YouTube to kind of figure out what was going on, and you know, whether I was going to have to replace the regulator or take it apart. I found a couple good videos. One that I'll link to in the description was helpful. Guy put the rebuild kit in and got his regulator back up and running. In my case, I just took everything apart and tossed it all into the sonic cleaner. And this piece here was corroded on the inside. I think that was kind of the major problem. It was corroded on the inside. I had to use a little bit of emery cloth to clean it up, and a stainless steel brush and what have you. And also down in this area around here, there was some oxidation and kind of green corrosion, and I think that was preventing this little cup from slipping back and forth. Anyways, I didn't buy the rebuild kit because everything was in good shape except for this one little O-washer or O-ring. It proved actually fairly difficult to track down. I didn't find an exact match, but I wanted to show kind of what I did get. I got it from McMaster-Carr, and I'll put the exact link to the part, but it's you can see it's a 1.9 thick by 2.4 millimeter inner diameter, and the outer diameter was I believe it was like 6 point something. So it's very close to the original thing that came out of the compressor, and I believe it will function okay. So I'll put the link in the description in case you want to get those, or if anyone else is doing the same job. And then it all just goes back together kind of in the reverse. And then I'll use a little bit of super lube synthetic grease to reassemble everything, and hopefully you should be back in business with the air compressor. But for anyone who's got the DeWalt 55168 and is having problems with the pressure regulators, it's pretty straightforward. You just on the flats of this, you just put a little wrench and unscrew it. And then this back piece comes off with a 17 millimeter or a Allen head key there. And like I say, the other video, which I'll link off to in the description, shows kind of a little bit more how to take this on and off. So real helpful video. But if you need that O-ring, that's the one with McMaster-Carr, and it seems to be a real good fit. So, all right, thanks for watching.